Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla sensor failures on parking assist and the likely reasons that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, parking assist features may become unavailable, display warnings, provide inconsistent distance readings, or fail to detect nearby objects during low-speed maneuvers. Visual or audible alerts may be reduced or disabled, while core driving functions remain unaffected. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, parking assist hardware configuration, and software version rather than indicating a universal sensor system failure. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves sensor perception limits and availability. Depending on model year and configuration, Tesla vehicles use ultrasonic sensors or camera-based vision systems for parking assist. Environmental interference such as dirt, mud, ice, snow, or water on sensor surfaces or camera lenses can reduce detection accuracy or cause temporary unavailability. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior body repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Hardware condition and alignment behavior have also been reviewed. Sensors rely on precise mounting angles and clear signal paths. As a possible contributing factor, minor misalignment, impact to bumpers, or paint thickness variation after repairs could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Software-controlled processing is another documented factor. Tesla software updates can change how parking assist data is interpreted, filtered, or displayed. During updates or post-update calibration, parking assist may temporarily disable or provide limited functionality until validation is complete. System transitions and operating conditions further influence behavior. Parking assist features may be restricted at certain speeds, during sensor warm-up, or when other driver assistance systems detect reduced confidence, leading to alerts that parking assist is unavailable. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include cleaning sensor and camera areas, checking for visible bumper damage or obstructions, allowing time after software updates for calibration to complete, and observing whether the issue repeats under similar conditions. If parking assist failures persist across different environments, service inspection is recommended to review sensor diagnostics, mounting integrity, and software status. Reviewed information indicates that parking assist sensor failures are not universal and often relate to environmental interference, sensor alignment, software processing behavior, or temporary confidence limits rather than permanent sensor damage. In conclusion, Tesla sensor failures on parking assist are generally linked to perception limits, environmental conditions, mounting and alignment factors, or software-controlled behavior rather than a loss of vehicle safety systems. The issue varies by vehicle generation and conditions, and proper diagnosis is important if the behavior continues. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.